So I'm using medium worsted yarn number 4 and 7mm crochet hook, which is larger than the usual recommended hook for this yarn thickness. We'll start with a slip knot, and I'm gonna chain 3. In the first chain from the hook, I'm gonna chain single crochet, chain 1, single crochet. Next row, I'm gonna chain 2, and what I'm gonna do now will be in every row the same, so which is the increase of the moss stitch triangle to form the bandana. So in the first previous chain 2 space, chain 1 space, which is this one in between the single crochet, I'm gonna make single crochet, chain 1, and a single crochet, double. Every beginning of the round will be the same. Chain 1, and again in the beginning chain 2 space, I'm gonna make 1 single crochet. Next row, I'm gonna chain 2, and it'll be the same. So this is the previous chain 1 space. So here I'm gonna make 1 single crochet, chain 1, 1 single crochet, all in the same space. Chain 1, single crochet in the next space. If you get confused in the beginning about the chain 1 space, it'll be always the small loop in between the big loops. So to make it easier, chain 1 and single crochet in the beginning, chain 2. I hope it's clear so far. If you again get confused, check the written pattern, which will show you row by row what to do. Again, chain 2. In the previous chain 1 space, again single crochet, chain 1, single crochet. So to increase the triangle, and then chain 1, single crochet in the next space, chain 1, single crochet in the chain 1 space, chain 1, single crochet in the beginning chain 2 space. Again, chain 2, turn. In the previous chain 1 space, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet in the next space, chain 1, single crochet in the next space, chain 1, single crochet in the next space, chain 1, single crochet in the last chain 2 space. This is how it looks like so far. I'm gonna show you the work progress which I'm doing. So this is this is how it is so far. I've done around 30 rows. I still have to do total of 100 rows. Once it's done, I'll come back and show you the result. And you see the increase looks nice on the side. It looks neat and pretty. In both sides is the same. So I'll be back once this is done. So this is the final look of the scarf or bandana, and I have made total of 56 rows because I used a larger hook, which is 7mm, and the stitch makes the scarf get larger faster. So 56 rows total. You'll find the size, the measurement and the gauge in the written pattern linked in the description box. And that's it. I hope you liked the video and you found it useful. Let me know what you think, and if you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.